Anad ha.
Pero sebelum once a week.
It could be driven about once a week or so, and we keep a cover on it.
You mean to say?
The car's covered. The car has a cloth cover on it. But it's up. It's like this. It's pulled in a thing like this, and then it has a cover on it. But it could sit a couple weeks before somebody drives it sometimes, because we go back and forth to the U.S.
So this car been with you for 2 years. This one.
Yep.
So who is this?
Yeah.
Just low mileage.